Meantime, you got 8, 10 people behind it.
Yeah.
They're all trying to. His car doesn't work. He gets another one. What the fuck, you? Come on. You know what I mean?
No, I understand.
Joke.
I understand. So you don't carry credit cards?
My dear.
No credit card, no plastic. All cash.
Cash is the king.
Cash is the
I
king.
do not come out from the house if I don't have cash.
Huh. Well, now I know what taxi cab to come rob.
You can rob me.
I'm joking.
It's okay, even if you rob me.
Well, sorry, but I don't have cash today, so.
Poor thing.
Yeah.
Poor thing. The story, but
Say that again?
if you buy big item, it's one thing.
Right.
But if you
Coffee.
small change, come on.
Coffee.
I never use plastic in a restaurant. Cash.
Interesting.
Cash.
Green light.